Made it to IKEA in the building to see what's going on. Mm. Damn, IKEA, this is Tokyo. They tried to get me. Yeah. What's that IKEA? So cute. Look who trying to help. Excuse me. Say hi. Now, you know what I will say as I was sitting here reading these instructions? I say they done came a long way because this used to be so complicated, but I was looking at the pictures like, okay, I got this, period. Okay, so we get to the finish line. I can see the end is near. It really did not take me that long to do this at all. I would say maybe like half an hour at the most. And I really be getting sidetracked. So that's with breaks and everything. Like, it was so simple to do. So shout out to IKEA. 'Cause I don't know how many calics in my life. And guess what? Them shit used to be so hard to put together. But one thing I do want to say is the stuff always be coming dusty as hell out the packaging. Like, why it be so dirty like that? Anyways, I'm just putting everything back, and it's gonna take some rearranging over and over until I get it right. And I think it even looked different today. So yeah, I'm just playing around with the setup to see how I like it.